eggs are incredibly nutritious and versatile, offering a wide range of health benefits. Here are 50 of them. 1. High-quality protein. Eggs are a rich source of high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for the body's growth and maintenance. 2. Muscle growth. The protein in eggs supports muscle growth and repair. 3. Weight management. Protein and healthy fats in eggs can help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management. 4. Nutrient density. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and B complex vitamins, as well as minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium. 5. Brain health. Choline, found in eggs, is vital for brain development and function, including memory and cognitive performance. 6. Eye health. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support eye health and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 7. Heart health. Contrary to previous beliefs, moderate egg consumption is not associated with an increased risk of heart disease and may even have a positive effect on heart health. 8. Healthy fats. Eggs contain healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and reduce inflammation. 9. Strong bones. Eggs are a good source of vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. 10. Immune support. The vitamins and minerals in eggs, such as vitamin A, vitamin D, and zinc, support a healthy immune system. 11. Improved skin health. Nutrients like vitamins A and E in eggs contribute to healthy skin by promoting cell regeneration and protecting against free radical damage. 12. Hair health. The protein and biotin in eggs promote healthy hair growth and prevent hair loss. 13. Lower risk of stroke. Studies suggest that regular egg consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of stroke. 14. Increased energy levels. The combination of protein and healthy fats in eggs provides sustained energy levels throughout the day. 15. Blood sugar regulation. The protein in eggs helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. 16. Improved mood. Eggs contain tryptophan, an amino acid that contributes to the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood. 17. Reduced risk of birth defects. Choline in eggs is crucial for fetal brain development and can help prevent neural tube defects when consumed during pregnancy. 18. Better digestive health. Eggs contain dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and prevents constipation. 19. Healthy pregnancy. Eggs provide essential nutrients like folate, iron, and choline, which are important for a healthy pregnancy and fetal development. 20. Lower risk of metabolic syndrome. Regular egg consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. 21. Improved liver function. Choline in eggs supports liver function and helps prevent fatty liver disease. 22. Anti-inflammatory properties. The omega-3 fatty acids in eggs have anti-inflammatory properties, reducing inflammation in the body. 23. Improved memory. Choline in eggs supports the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for memory and learning. 24. Enhanced athletic performance. The protein in eggs supports muscle recovery and growth, improving athletic performance. 25. Reduced risk of cancer. Some studies suggest that nutrients in eggs, such as choline and antioxidants, may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. 26. Better oral health. Eggs contain vitamin D, which supports oral health by promoting calcium absorption and preventing tooth decay. 27. Reduced risk of anemia. The iron in eggs helps prevent iron deficiency anemia by supporting red blood cell production. 28. Improved fertility. Nutrients like zinc and vitamin E in eggs support reproductive health and may improve fertility in both men and women. 29. Healthy aging. Nutrients in eggs, such as antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, help protect against age-related diseases and promote healthy aging. 30. Reduced risk of osteoporosis *. The combination of protein, vitamin D, and other minerals in eggs supports bone health, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 31. Better sleep *. Eggs contain tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and can help improve sleep quality. 32. Reduced risk of gallstones *. Moderate egg consumption has been associated with a lower risk of gallstones. 33. Improved hair and nail health *. Protein and biotin in eggs support healthy hair and nail growth. 34. Regulated blood pressure *. Potassium in eggs helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. 35. Reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease *. Some studies suggest that nutrients in eggs, such as choline and antioxidants, may help protect against Alzheimer's disease. 36. Enhanced nutrient absorption *. Nutrients in eggs, such as vitamin D and healthy fats, improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and minerals. 37. Reduced risk of inflammation *. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids in eggs help reduce inflammation in the body. 38. Improved metabolism *. Protein in eggs boosts metabolism by increasing thermogenesis and promoting satiety. 39. Reduced risk of asthma *. Some studies suggest that maternal consumption of eggs during pregnancy may reduce the risk of asthma in offspring. 40. Better wound healing *. Protein and vitamin A in eggs support wound healing by promoting tissue repair and regeneration. 41. Balanced hormones *. Nutrients in eggs, such as zinc and vitamin B6, support hormone production and balance. 42. Reduced risk of cataracts *. Lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs help prevent the formation of cataracts. 43. Improved cardiovascular health * Nutrients in eggs, such as folate and antioxidants, support cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. 44. Reduced risk of premature aging * Antioxidants in eggs help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of premature aging. 45. Improved respiratory health * Omega-3 fatty acids in eggs may help reduce inflammation in the airways, improving respiratory health. 46. Lower LDL cholesterol *. Despite containing cholesterol, eggs have been shown to improve cholesterol levels by increasing HDL, good, cholesterol and converting LDL, bad, cholesterol to a less harmful form. 47. Reduced risk of blood clots * Omega-3 fatty acids in eggs help prevent the formation of blood clots, reducing the risk of heart attack and stroke. 48. Enhanced skin elasticity * Nutrients in eggs, such as protein and vitamin E, support collagen production, enhancing skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. 49. Improved liver detoxification * Choline in eggs supports liver function and helps facilitate the detoxification process. 50. Support for healthy joints * Omega-3 fatty acids in eggs help reduce inflammation in the joints, supporting overall joint health and reducing the risk of arthritis. These benefits highlight the importance of incorporating eggs into a balanced diet for overall health and well-being.